What, Rugrats? What's the matter? Come here. Titus. It's little Titus. Hi, babies. What are we doing? What? What, Eclipse? What, Bubba? What do we want? What, Schnuckerdoodles? Here's baby Blue. Yeah, hi, Mama. Here's baby Addie, getting covered by the little chocolate girl. She's still looking for her home. And he's still looking for his home. There's baby Titus. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Hi, babies. What? Say, when Mom's in here, we just want attention. What are you doing, Blue? See, I'm the big guy of the litter. I'm the big tubby butt. Alright, say bye, guys. We'll see you soon. What? What, Titus? What, Bubby? He says, I don't know. I just want lovin's. Yeah. See, oh, I get it all by myself.